Ram Steelco takes saw cutting to the next level of precision and accuracy. Our vertical bandsaw has the ability to miter from 45 degrees left into 45 degrees right. The full-stroke hydraulic vise provides accurate cuts for light gauge material and allows for bundle cutting. With a 31-inch high by 18-inch wide capacity, we can tackle a wide variety of material sizes. When a job calls for repeat cuts, Ram Steelco's horizontal cutter ensures accuracy between pieces. With laser guides, automatic clamping and indexing, and a 13-inch high by 18-inch wide capacity, customers can rely on uniform cuts and quick lead times. With decades of experience, Ram Steelco is the local expert in metals processing and supply. From the simplest job to the most complex order, all of our equipment utilizes the top technology to deliver customers accuracy, quality, and precision. Please give us a call and we'd be happy to help with your next project.